Okay, I'm going to try 10 Apex 50K accounts at the same time. I'm going way too slow with the two 50K Apex accounts. The prop firm challenge with the two that I had, I got to figure out how to go faster. They're 90% off, so I'm getting each one for $16. And my theory is to pass a few of these. That way I can get the challenge over with, and then I can concentrate on strategy to build a cushion and start getting real money payouts from the Apex accounts. So what am I going to do? I got 4 of them going right here. And my plan is to jump in one here. I think we're bullish on the day chart. I guess I should talk about that for a second, but really we're bullish in the day chart here. I do expect a pullback. We could even have a red day, and that's fine. I'm going to be very careful. I'm not just going to be blindly buying in all the 10 counts at the same exact time or copy paste. And my plan is to enter in the accounts at strategic times, allowing for deeper pullbacks before I enter in. And when it does bounce, some of these accounts will be in the green, right? So in the day chart, let's take a look at the day chart right here. This is bullish. I got my big candle box right here for the biggest days that have been pulled back. If this decides to engulf and come straight down, I know that this is the range of the largest candles, and I know about where I can probably expect bounces at the 50% ranges and levels. So that's my plan. I don't expect to pass all 10 of them at the same time. The goal here is to pass a couple of these at least within the 30-day period, because it's only $16 for the first month, and then it doubles, goes to 80% off, which is, $30, $32 or $33 a month, and I don't want to pay that for 10 accounts. So we'll cancel the ones we don't pass. The ones we pass, we will pay the activation fee, and then I can move on to the phase of building a payout. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'll show you what I do as we progress into each trade. All right, today could be the perfect day to try to pass one of these. You get it one day to pass right now. So I'm going to do some aggressive risk-taking trades here. I'm already in 3 micros right here as just this one Apex account continues to go down. And I'm looking at the day chart, looking at the levels, and I'm thinking that even if it goes down on the 10,000 tick chart down to the previous day's low, there's support down here. I really want to be heavy for a bounce. I want my average price to be as low as possible, and I want to really take a chance. If it continues to break and go down, then I have an opportunity to get in to another Apex account fresh, and I don't have to have that drawdown on the other Apex accounts because I'm not copy pasting. So even if one account blows, I'll be in a better position for a bounce up, a strong bounce and a strong move in the other Apex accounts. So that's the strategy right now. Hopefully it will work. Okay, I just finished live streaming. I sold everything, closed all my positions on this spike up right here on all 3 of the Apex accounts. We're trying to pass 10 accounts today. Well, we're only trading a few at a time, and right now we're up on all 3 of them, and I'm trying to let it price come back down so I can buy back in. So what I'm going to do here is add one, start buying back in right here.
Order filled.
I'll buy in right here on this one, starting a new trade, and see if it'll come back down. At least I'm in something on it. So, okay, on the first Apex account, what we did was just going sideways and choppy, and then I started realizing, why am I not taking profits when it comes up a little bit? Several times it had come up to $200 profit on these spikes, and I said, okay, let me just start scalping. And then I'll enter in another one of these Apex accounts, and if it runs, I'll let this one run, right? Then I started realizing that when it gets in various areas, I'll be long a little bit in this one, and this was a big run up here from down here, just with 1 micro, but nevertheless, it's $55. And so I'm just going to start trying to play it like that, using all these Apex accounts in different levels and different position sizes. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, I have officially linked 4 accounts to 4 other accounts, and I'm just waiting to see if an opportunity comes up. I'm completely flat right now, and we are up, a tenth of the way to 2 accounts. We're up a tenth of the way to passing. It's only a tenth. It's a 1-day pass. I don't know if I'm going to pass any of these in 1 day, but we do have the 30 days before these 10 accounts get charged again. And if I pass them before then, I can just activate them and no longer have a monthly charge. And then I can start having real money payouts. So I'm grateful for that. So right now we're just waiting, and I do have the copier linked up. 4 accounts are copy pasted to 4 other accounts out of the 10 where we would be trading 8. I haven't taken any copy trades yet. I just linked them together. It's almost lunch, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to take any more trades today. I'm going to go for a jog in a minute here, and we'll see, but I'll let you know how it goes. All right, we're taking our first copy trade here on one account. So 2 of the accounts are linked together on one trade, and that's all I'm doing at the moment. All right, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, after that copy trade, it didn't really go anywhere. I went to lunch. I came back. It was still the same price. I don't like trading when it gets close to the close. I don't like trading the last hour if I can help it, unless I have to. So we closed the account on that copy trade and got a little tiny profit on it right here, just barely. It went up over the top. And we're going to call it a quits for today. Everything was positive. Let's take a look at the accounts right now. What do we got here? Well, we did 1/10 of the way to passing on 2 of them, and the other 2 were just barely made anything. I'm not overly concerned that we didn't pass one today. That's just something Apex is offering. You know, you can pass it in one day. Typically, they won't let you do that. I'm not going to go and do stupid stuff just because I want to try to pass it one day. What I do want to do is try to pass at least one or multiples, as many as I can out of these 10 within 30 days. And that means I won't have to pay the renewal for next month. I can just pay the activation fee. So that's the plan. Since we didn't pass any on the first day, the plan is to pass as many as I can within the first 30 days. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.